Magandang hapon po ng October 10, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng October 10, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto, 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, October 10, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for October 10, 2024, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, October 10, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for October 10, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.